Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. It's been so long since the last video. I apologize, I've been taking a little bit of a break this year. But anyway, we're back in one of my favorite game reserves, Manyoni Game Reserve. And you might remember this from the Zebra Hills trip, but this time we were in a new lodge. It's called Sensiri, and it's also in Manyoni Game Reserve, and Zebra Hills is a little bit further back that way. So we're still in the same game reserve with all those amazing animals we saw last time. So I really hope you guys enjoy this series. So I'm gonna do a quick little tour of the lodge. It's very, very small, but it's all you need for 4 people. So starting here, we have the deck area. So this is the kitchen area with a little bit of like a waiting area. This is our coffee machine because you always got to have good coffee. And then they've got a microwave, a stove, and an oven, which is nice. And the water here is drinkable, so that's cool. And then there's just a small little kitchen island, which is all you need. And then through here is mine and Rosetta's room. So they've got a double bed here and a double bed there, so that's Rosetta's bed, this is my bed. And we got a bathroom through there. And then the last room is my parents' room. And this is their room. They've got cute pillows. They have meerkats on the pillows, a king bed. And then they've got this beautiful bathroom here with this cool painting. And there's even an outdoor shower out here. You can see the shower heads. And then through here, it's a cool bathroom and like a desk area to do work. And that concludes the very, very, very big lodge tour. So the resort is actually fenced off, so no other animals can come in with an electric fence. But inside of the resort, inside of the little lodge area, they have 8 resident Nyala, a couple males and lots of females. They're so tame, but we're not allowed to feed them, which is understandable, but they're so nice and cute. They're just roaming around. Also, in the short space we've been unpacking, we saw a brown-hooded kingfisher, so that's pretty cool. It's nice to know the bird light comes to us. So we're going to be going on our first game drive pretty soon, so I'll see you guys on the vehicle. So we're back from our game drive. We saw a few cool things. The birding was really great. It started to downpour before we went, but luckily it wasn't too rainy. So I hope you guys enjoyed the montage of it. So now we're just enjoying sitting around the fire.
That's what I want.
Look at that beautiful fire. And Rosetta reading a book. And then we'll see you guys tomorrow for the early morning game drive. Hello guys, welcome to day 2 of Sensiri Lodge in Manyoni Game Reserve. So right now it's 5:30, so it's super bright and early. Well, I shouldn't say dull and early, it's super dull out there. And we're going to be going on another game drive this morning and then one this evening. And I'm going to do what I did yesterday and just do it into a cool montage. Hopefully we drive a different route and hopefully we see some cool stuff. See you guys on the vehicle. everyone, welcome to, thankfully, a beautiful sunrise this morning. So we're going to be going on the vehicle now, and then we're going to take our morning drive, and then just after we're going to have our evening drive. It's our last full day here, and then tomorrow we're going to have one more morning drive and we're going home. Hopefully you see some big cats or something like that. So I'll see you guys on the vehicle.
Between the Tilly and MacLeod.
Yeah, I got him, don't worry. No, I'm taking a video. You can't take pictures at night. Good morning, everyone. It is our last day here. We have one more morning drive left. Last night, we had some incredible sightings. The cheetah was so close to our vehicle. And what actually was happening there is that there was a lion in the area, and we were looking for the lion. And the lion and the cheetah had like a run-in, and there was two brothers, but they were like, had formed this bond, and they got separated by the lion, and then the one was trying to call to the other to try bring them together again. That's why the other cheetah last night was vocalizing so much. So this morning is our last game drive here at Sensiri, and we're gonna go hopefully see some more animals. So I'll see you guys on the vehicle. So we're back from our last game drive and we finally saw a lion. Super cool. There were 2 males and a female, and they had killed last night a warthog, so they had a nice snack and they were just sleeping, and that's it. We've burned through all of our game drives, and I've got to say, one of the best experiences I've ever had, other than Pinder, because it was like the rangers are so nice, they know all their stuff, even birding, which I was quite surprised by. So definitely come check this place out. And also, we booked like super last minute. All the other places were booked out, and this place is completely empty. So if you guys are looking for quick availability and amazing ranges, then come to Sensiri. I'll leave a link down in the description. One cool thing about Sensiri is that in the summertime they actually have a pool here with like a super cool area, and up on the way to the pool they have like all these cool cycads. So I'm gonna go into the pool area now, show you what it's like. Just check all the cycads, beautiful view of the bush. And through here we have the pool area, and they do clean it up for summer. Got these cool little relaxing chairs, and then they have the pool. But it's also cool because they have like a microwave, a stove, an oven. So if you're coming here and you have like a big group of friends, like you can make sandwiches or hot dogs up here, and you can come chill by the pool and lounge here with these chairs. Super cool that they offer that, and that you can come and swim here. It's just nice when all these places have extras. As I'm walking a scenic route through cycads, I'm going to tell you more cool things about Sensiri. So number one, they actually have free Wi-Fi here. So the passcode is in a beautiful, nice welcome letter that they leave on your bed. So they have free Wi-Fi in all the rooms and up at the pool area, which is nice. And as I was saying earlier, check all these cycads. We had a couple cycads in our own garden, but they unfortunately got eaten by some sort of pest. Anyway, so it's super cool we have free Wi-Fi because there's not much data connection out here. I think it's like Vodacom Edge. And I want to just say thank you so much for watching this video. If you liked it, please subscribe. And I'm sorry, the next one won't be a 7-month wait. Goodbye.